see me, and then when I run in stairs, I see things.
Say hi. Hi, Kat. Hello. Oh, no. Oh, see? Hi.
Pagod na ikaw eh.
Ano to? Anong...
Toy poodle po.
Ah.
Tika. Oh!
Ay, ilang buwan pa lang.
4 months na po.
Daddy.
Oh, boy.
Playful po kasi yan.
Oo, nga eh.
Tao.
Oh.
This dog, guys, not a danger dog.
Not a danger dog, yes. Si lalaki na.
Babae po.
Ay, babae. Padami din. Buyan. Ay, tutut. Buyag naman ikaw, oy. Oy, don't
Diyan ka
care.
na lang, iwanan na kita.
Bye-bye. Tapos may passport din siya, no? Kompleto.
Isa mo,
Mauwi mo yan sa Pilipinas. Yung mga pusa din ang mga kasama namin, mauwi nila sa Pinas.
Hindi pa po yung pedicure niya.
Oo.
Pag nagbakasyon na po, kasama ko.
Agoy!
Which breed this one? Japanese?
Toy poodle.
Ah, poodle.
Toy.
Toy one, the small one. Yeah.
Tika.
Mm.
O, nagwiwi na ikaw.
Ah,
Nako,
nagwiwi.
nagwiwi. No, wala, ikaw
Ay,
diaper. She's playing
Yeah.
phone. Bye-bye na, say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye na.
Bye!
Kailangan natin muna. O, tara na.
Bye!
Halika na.
Cute naman
Isa.
yan, oh.
Come.
Anong pangalan niya?
Si Piso po.
Piso. Cat, oh my, it's a tiger. It's a tiger cat na. So big. Eating. Wow. What meow?
Meow.
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 Oh, let's go na. They're sleeping. They're sleeping na. Hello. Hello, Lola. Oh, see, hello. Wants to drink. Ng tao sa park.
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
we go there and here and come
Where you will go?
here.
No one there. No need. Okay, go, go, go. Scooter, dali. Be careful, ha? Slowly. Iikot pa talaga siya. Walang tao. Ay, meron doon dito. Meron dito. Tapos meron doon sa upuan. Meron din dito. Meron dito. Tapos nandun yung guard. Kagandahan lang sa park is 24 hours ang guard. Dati walang guard to dito. Laro siya mag-isa kanina, nagtuluyan siya mag-isa. Naawa ako kasi iniwan na siya ng dalawa niyang kalaro. Na mahirap pag gabi na pupunta. Okay, let's go. Let's go. This side na, dali. This side, this side. Go, go.
What?
This side na, going. And to bus and to... Oh, ganda nito. Bougainvillea pala yan. Ah, mga flower and lang. Ay! ayun na. Huh? Carry your scooter. Because this is a plant, plaza. Grass.
What will we do?
Hmm?
What will we do at home?
What we will do at home? Sleep. Sleeping time. It's afraid. Let's go. The cat is running.
Why?
It's not a playful cat. Oh. You can. Wow. Good job. One more. Wow. Good job. Wow. Good job. Hmm.
Hey!
Oh, okay. Oh. Good job. Okay, let's go.
Give it a balloon.
I should put daddy's name.
The balloon.
Hello, daddy, the balloon. Let's start. Uuwi na. What happened? What's that? We'll go first there. We need to buy baboy for Tita Jen. Huh? Maybe Ate is there. Ate, who's that? What's the name of that Ate? Huh? You remember that Ate? The small Ate?
You got the yellow balloon.
What's her name? The Ate there in the supermarket. Yeah. Daan kami sa supermarket. Pili kami yung baboy. Pabili kasama ko. Hindi siya marunong. Hindi niya alam dito banda. Yan. Yung building na yan. May Pinoy supermarket siya. Pinoy Mart. Pinoy Mart. Nagbebenta sila ng baboy. Mami na lang will do Hello Kitty.
Full glare.
Hello Kitty. Hold him, daddy, his hand. I will check, they might have. Ang hirap naman hanapin itong banana leaves na. Minsan maraming ganito.